that you wanted to see what's in my box from Java Momma. Okay, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Tracy Hyde and I'm an ambassador with Java Momma. So I want you to check out this very cool, stick around for the rest of this video that shows an unboxing of all the amazing things I got in my first order. Okay, so Tori and I placed our first real order. I got a little mini order as a consultant or as an ambassador, but so this is a real order that we placed, the stuff that we were looking for. So I wanted to show you on the top of your box, you're gonna have a shipping label that comes. So I'm gonna open it up so we know what we're looking for. And it's got a little Java Momma sticker on it. So there's that. Then let's see. And ouch. Come on, wrist. You can do it. Maybe. Okay, we got this. Are you ready? Okay. So, also came from Danville, Pennsylvania. Okay. So we got 3 beans butterbeer flavored coffee, chai tea latte, Mama's Munchies, candy cane sprinkle dust. Yes, you know, I've talked about it. Candy cane sprinkle dust. Cinnamon snowflake. It is, yeah, it's coffee, Christmas cookie coffee, 12 days of cocoa and mocha, and 12 days of coffee. Are you ready? This is a nice size box for all that stuff. What do you think? I'm ready. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna open it up. Oopsies. Scissors. All right, so we're opening. Ready? Oh, okay. OMG, look at that. It fits so nicely. Okay, so there's peanuts in here, which I need to save my dog from herself. But that is surrounding, oh, my chai tea latte. Oh, and my sprinkle dust, candy cane sprinkle dust. Woo-hoo-hoo. And my chai tea latte. That should be, this is going to be really good. So this says mix 2 tablespoons to 6 ounces of warmed milk, water, or your preferred milk substitute. So it is going to be so yummy. I can't wait to try it. I will totally review this. This will be something that I review. I did get the sprinkle dust because I thought, I'm not sure. I might put it on hot cocoa, but I was thinking maybe I did another order that has another flavor in it, or maybe I just forgot what I read. Did I get a peppermint mocha? I don't remember. No, butterbeer, cinnamon, and sugar cookie. Okay, no, I didn't this time. So I will put this on one of the 12 days of mocha or whatever. I might have to fight Tori. We'll see what happens. Okay. Oh, speaking of, so this is the 12 days of coffee. So this is, we did single serve cups. So so it's all sealed. So I guess technically I shouldn't start until Friday, but who says the 12 days has to lead up to Christmas, right? So I want to show you. Oh, and there are mysteries. Look at that. So it looks like I will have to scan the QR code to know what it is. Are you ready? Do you want me to do that right now? This is exciting. This is very exciting. All right. Open in Chrome and tell me. Yep. Oh. Discover the flavors behind each festive cup. Oh my gosh. On the first day of Java, my mug gave to me. And then it tells you what the coffee is. And then it tells you, it gives you a little, can you see? Sorry, a little ad popped up too. So on the first day, and then it shows you on the second day, and it gives you like a descriptor of what that coffee is. How awesome. I'm so excited. I have a feeling that Tori and I are going to tussle. Okay, so, and I know some of you are like, who the heck is Tori? Well, then you haven't been around the VIPs very long. So if you haven't already, I am gonna say you need to subscribe to my channel. And in the first link below, there is a link to, in the first comment below, there is a link to my VIP group on Facebook. And what's funny is that Tori during COVID actually helped me grow my business. We were constantly live together, like every Thursday night, and people look forward to seeing her. And I mean, I loved having her there, so it was pretty awesome. It was a really neat opportunity. So I'm gonna throw these right here on my chair next to my stool here as I open up more coffees. So this one is Christmas cookie. And again, if you open it up, it says right on there. So what I love about that is that it's like a surprise. So I have to scan it and find out. Or I could just scroll through and find out what day is. So these ones didn't come with a label. They came with, it's do-it-yourself labels. And I think I mentioned this before in one of my videos that sometimes I get them like that. So they're hurrying them out, and so they'll give you this so that you can put it on there if you want it. Some people don't, they just buy whatever and they don't care what they get, but I like to know what I'm getting so that I know how to fix my face. So this one's Christmas cookie, so we'll spend some time just putting the stickers on them. Actually kind of fun, a little therapeutic, just saying. Okay, next up, 12 days of cocoa and mocha. Check it out. So again, let's cut this boy and not cut yourself. There we go. All kinds. Look, it's full of the cocos and mochas, right? So little packages of them. Now, if you chose to get the 12 days of coffee in 2-ounce samplers, when I ordered, you couldn't get the 2-ounce samplers. You had to get the K-cups or the certain single serve cups like I do. But I prefer to anyways. Okay, so hopefully that's not a big deal for you. But these, and you can mix with, again, you can mix with water, milk, or your favorite milk substitute. And they are so yummy. Tori and I love to have hot cocoa. Throw marshmallows in it, a little bit of that super cool sprinkle dust, peppermint, candy cane sprinkle dust. So then I also got a cinnamon snowflake. So the first one was Christmas cookie. This one is cinnamon snowflake. I don't know if you can read the caption. I'll tell you what it says. Warm cinnamon slowly drifts down like new fallen snow over hills of smooth, dreamy vanilla custard. It is going to be yummy. It is mine. It is mine. I'm not sharing. Sugar cookie, all Tori's. She can have it. I'm fine. This one is mine. We're going to duke it out. I know it. And then the last one. When we first started shopping with Java Momma, when I had a party and I would shop afterward, we were in love because we love the Harry Potter books and the movies. Big fans of them. The books and the movie. I'm going to leave it there. We got 3 beans butterbeer. Okay. So cool. So I don't know, I've never been to Universal to try butterbeer, but my oldest daughter Gabby has been there and she said it is so good. It's like so butterscotchy. It's very phenomenal. This one says Accio coffee. You're going to need it on your way to wizarding school. Conjure up a cup of your sweet buttery elixir and remember, happiness can be found in even the darkest hour, if one only remembers to turn on the coffee maker. Yeah. So we would order this, and then we also got like a Griffin Dark, and we got a there was a coffee for each house. And I remember Griffin Dark, not because I'm a Gryffindor, but because we still have some. So if you like it, or if you're interested in it, it's a dark Yes, but it's a very flavorful coffee. I myself I'm a Ravenclaw, and I don't know if you can see it back there, but there's a little thing back there, that is, yes, we're that nerdy. It's fine. It's fine. We are that nerdy. We know what house we're in. We know all the movies by heart. I would love to hear your reviews of your coffees that you're trying. So if you go back to the website and you join the Cafe Society, as a Cafe Society rewards member, you can leave a review, and then I would love for you to share with me that you did. And then once it's published, woo, that's so much fun! How exciting is that? That the makers, that Java Momma, valued your feedback, and they put it out there, and that you were willing to leave it is really amazing too. As a Cafe Society reward member, you actually earn points when you leave a review, and that is actually, I have the list right here in front of me. When you review, I think you get like 400, yeah, you get 400 points. So that's pretty cool, right? And that brings you closer to the next level, the next tier. And it could be a coupon pretty soon, right? So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. And I hope that you will hit that subscribe button below. I am easy to find, easy to chat with. In the first comment below, there are some ways that you can get a hold of me. If you need anything, if you would like a link, if you'd like to host a party, I'd love to do that with you. So reach out, okay? So like, share my video, and don't forget to hit subscribe. And then one more thing, go watch another video. Okay, bye.